The boys had a mischievous streak that led them into potential trouble on a regular basis. By now, they should have been fast enough to dodge the sudden sweeps of the rhino's horn, but it's easy to underestimate just how fast these huge animals can be. And even if the cubs were fairly safe, I felt pretty vulnerable.
Let's go. Talk about picking the wrong prey. That's about as ambitious as any cheetah has ever been.
I may have been more exposed when I was on foot, but it was an incredible thrill to share their world like this. I never dreamt I'd have the chance to walk with cheetahs. This intimacy also allowed me to see things I quite frankly could never have spotted if I were following a purely wild family.